hundreds of years, lighthouses and beacon towers have been guiding our ancestors travel through the ancient maritime Silk Roads. These beacon towers have seen great technological advancement over the past history. I'm now near the estuary at Quanzhou Bay, an internationally important port in East China's Fujian province.
我们赤田乙灯塔上面装有雷达应答器，以及具有北斗和 GPS、双螺遥测等现代化的驻航设备，它能很好的满足我们进出泉州湾各类船舶的导坐航需求。